Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with me, Budget Gaming HD. And in today's episode, I've got a brand new review for you guys, and that is reviewing the Fusion wireless DJ headset. As a gamer, so you don't want to miss that. This was the best headset, or at least the reviews that I could find. So this is called the Fusion OneOdio, spelled with an O, not an A70 version. I will be reviewing this for you guys here today and see if it's actually worth the price. And do keep in mind, I got this for £36 with delivery. So let's unbox it and see what's on the inside. Okay, so let's unbox this headset. I'm hoping to get a Bluetooth receiver with, but I'm not counting on it. This is called the OneOdio Fusion wireless headset. You get a nifty bag width as well. This headset looks and feels amazing. I just love the design, to be honest. It supports both 7.5mm and 3.5mm jack for DJs, but I won't be needing that because I'm a gamer. The side feels absolutely out of this world, and it's so soft and sleek. I just can't stop touching it. Louder and softer on the side as one would expect, and also a power button. The headset feels comfortable and is so soft near the ear sections. It can be small and compact for traveling. The headset also comes with a 3.5mm to 7.5mm conversion jack, and also a 3.5mm jack with what seems to be a microphone, but I'm not too sure. I still need to test that. Sleek design and look and feel of this is amazing. I just love this thing. I had to buy this dongle as my PC doesn't have Bluetooth, but your laptop should support this anyway. In my opinion, just buy a decent dongle if you don't have one to ensure optimal quality. To be honest, mine was only £6, so they're not expensive. So as you guys can see, extremely comfy. It sits proper, it tells you left from right, which is quite handy for most people I would guess. It's got its volume buttons, it has its two aux input, 7.5mm and 3.5mm. And then also it's got its settings on the side, power, loud and softer. I feel on my ears this is extremely comfy. It extends to the size of my head, and I've got quite a thick head, so I mean, if it can fit me, it will probably fit you. And it's got a sleek design on the side, as you guys can see here. So for audio quality, I would give it a 10 out of 10. This is really good, and surprisingly I could hear on previous videos some hissing in the background which I could not hear with my standard gaming headset. This is a proper DJ headset. I can hear better sound quality, more control over the videos I make for you guys. So I would give this a thumbs up, 125%. And for the price, you cannot go wrong. So I would like to thank you, the viewers, for watching, and I shall see you soon.